Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler baking set is probably one of the most sought-after gifts for young children who love to mimic their parents in the kitchen, offering a fun and engaging way to introduce them to the joys of baking while developing their fine motor skills and creativity. This video will help you navigate the world of toddler baking sets, highlighting key features and considerations to help you choose the perfect one for your little chef. Number 5. Tovla Junior Kids Knife Set. Watch your child explore their inner chef with this safe and colorful knife set. It's designed to make cooking fun and accessible for little ones. These knives are perfect for Montessori learning. They help children develop fine motor skills while enjoying the independence of preparing food. With its child-safe design, it lets kids participate in meal prep safely. These knives have been tested and approved by parents and professionals. Surprise a young culinary enthusiast with this colorful set. It's durable, easy to clean, and built to last. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, you can trust that it's safe for your child and their food. It's also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. What we like? If you are looking for a safe and durable toddler knife set for your little one, you should consider this. It's made from high-quality nylon, so it's tough enough to withstand daily use. The serrated edges make cutting easy for little hands, and the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. This is perfect for kids who are just starting to learn how to cook and need tools that are both safe and effective. What people say. The design of these knives is fantastic. They're made specifically for children, with a non-slip handle and a blunt edge that allows my little one to safely participate in meal prep without any worry of cuts. They can chop soft fruits, vegetables, and even cheeses with ease and safety. Despite the child-friendly design, these knives are still very functional. They're sharp enough to cut through food without much effort, but they aren't sharp enough to cause any harm. These knives are just the right size for small hands. They're easy to hold and maneuver, which gives my child a sense of independence and confidence in the kitchen. Number 4. Tovla Junior Kids Cooking Set. It's the perfect gift for young chefs. This set has everything they need to start cooking and baking, all in one portable case. It is made with safe, non-toxic materials, so you can rest assured that your child is using high-quality and safe cooking tools. The included recipe book has delicious and easy-to-follow recipes, perfect for cooking together and building confidence in the kitchen. With stylish and gender-neutral designs, it inspires creativity and fun. The apron helps keep things tidy while they explore their culinary talents. Using the various tools helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and dexterity. It's a fun way to learn. What we like? If you want a complete baking set that includes everything your child needs to get started, this is the one. It comes with a recipe book, so you can cook together and create delicious memories. The variety of tools helps develop fine motor skills and coordination. This is ideal for parents who want to encourage their children's creativity and independence in the kitchen. What people say. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The utensils are real, do work and are sturdy. The set's included case is a thoughtful touch, keeping it organized and separate from our other kitchen utensils. All pieces are conveniently dishwasher safe and perfectly sized for small hands. Number 3. Baketivity DIY Cake Pop Kit. It includes all the pre-measured dry ingredients, securely packed and ready to use. You'll create yummy cake pops without needing any special equipment. With pre-measured ingredients, a shopping list for what you need, and step-by-step instructions with kid-friendly illustrations, it's easy for bakers of all ages. It teaches basic kitchen skills and baking techniques. Young chefs will build confidence creating their own kitchen masterpiece. Give the gift of baking and create lasting memories in the kitchen. It's perfect for family bonding time. Scan the QR code to access a video guide by Baketivity's head baker. Your child will feel like a real baking pro. What we like? If you're looking for a fun and easy baking activity for your child, this kit is perfect. The pre-measured ingredients and simple instructions make it easy for even the youngest bakers to participate. It's also a great way to teach kids basic baking skills and build their confidence in the kitchen. This is a great choice for busy parents who want a simple and engaging activity for their kids. What people say. The instructions were so clear. Every ingredient was already measured and packaged for use. We used the box it came in as a holder for our cake balls after they were completed, so they could set. This was a great gift for my daughter as she is loving to learn to bake. The kit comes with everything you need as well as clear easy directions for kids to understand. The functionality of the molding in the kit is great as well and we can use it many times again. Having everything portioned out and ready to go made things much quicker. She did most things herself or with minimal support and cake pops turned out great. Number 2. Montessori Kitchen Toy Set. This complete set is designed to make cooking fun and safe for your little ones. It includes everything they need to start their culinary adventures. Made from food-grade polypropylene and wood, these knives are non-toxic and BPA-free, ensuring your child's safety. The durable construction means they'll last through many cooking sessions. With 13 pieces, including knives, cutting boards, and fun cutters, it offers a variety of tools for different tasks. It's perfect for imaginative play and real cooking experiences. The cute designs and ergonomic handles make them appealing to children. The serrated edges and one-piece handles ensure safe and easy use. It helps children develop their fine motor skills, creativity, and independence in the kitchen. It's a great way to bond with your child and teach them valuable life skills. These toys encourage parent-child interaction and create lasting memories. It's a wonderful way to share the joy of cooking together. What we like. If you need a versatile set with many tools to cover various cooking tasks, this is a great option. It includes a variety of knives and other utensils, all made from safe and durable materials. The different tools help children develop their fine motor skills and learn different cooking techniques. This is perfect for kids who love to experiment in the kitchen and try new things. What people say. The plastic, child-safe knives and crinkle cutter are great for little hands, and my child loves pretending to chop and slice just like a grown-up. The cutting board is sturdy and perfect for all the food prep action. The tools are perfectly sized for tiny hands, yet durable and functional for real cooking activities. The knives are kid-friendly because they don't cut skin, however when cutting food items, it cuts very well. The cutting boards are very thin, and the knives aren't very bulky so it's easy to store everything in a drawer. Number 1. Baketivity 31 PCS Kids Baking Set. It includes a kid-safe knife, whisk, rolling pin, scooper, spatula, baking mat, and measuring tools. Everything your young chef needs for safe and easy baking. This set is designed for real food, making cooking easier and safer for kids. The knife cuts soft food easily, and all the utensils have easy grip handles and smooth edges. All the tools are non-toxic, food-grade, durable, and dishwasher safe. It's a safe and convenient cooking set for little ones. It comes with 12 parent-approved recipes, each with an ingredient list and simple step-by-step instructions. Your junior chef will love following along. This brightly colored set makes an exciting gift for kids aged 6-10+. It's sure to inspire every little baker to create their own delicious treats. What we like. If you're looking for a baking set that gives your child real cooking experience with added safety, this is a great choice. The set includes a child-safe knife and other real cooking utensils, making baking fun and engaging. The included recipe cards provide simple and delicious recipes to get your little chef started. This is perfect for kids who want to feel like real chefs in the kitchen. What people say. It's a very functional cooking set. The recipe book is pretty straightforward and easy for kids to understand and follow. Mat is non-stick. The rolling pin was also not sticking to the dough. Works as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.